you new to strength training and don't know where to start? Perhaps you're feeling a little overwhelmed by the myriad of exercises, equipment, and techniques out there. Well, fear not. This video is here to guide you through the basics of strength training for beginners. Let's start by understanding what strength training is. Strength training, sometimes known as resistance training, is a type of physical exercise that uses resistance to induce muscular contraction. This resistance can come from your body weight, dumbbells, kettlebells, or machines. The result? Increased strength, anaerobic endurance, and size of skeletal muscles. Now, onto the fundamental muscle building exercises for beginners. First up, squats. Squats help to build your leg muscles, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. Begin by standing tall with your feet spread shoulder width apart. Lower your body as far as you can by pushing your hips back and bending your knees. Pause, then slowly push yourself back to the starting position. Remember, keep your chest up and your knees over your toes. Next, the bench press. This exercise works your chest, as well as your shoulder and tricep muscles. Start by lying flat on a bench. Hold a barbell with hands just wider than shoulder width apart. Lower the bar slowly until it skims the middle of your chest. Push the bar back to the starting position explosively as you breathe out. Moving on to deadlifts. Deadlifts are excellent for working the lower back, hamstrings, and quads. Stand with your midfoot under the barbell. Bend over without bending your knees. Grip the bar with your hands shoulder width apart. Bend your knees until your shins touch the bar. Lift your chest up and straighten your lower back. Take a deep breath, hold it, and stand up with the weight. Now, let's talk about proper form and technique. It's crucial to execute these exercises correctly. Not only does it prevent injuries, but it also ensures that you're effectively working the targeted muscles. Remember to keep your back straight, engage your core, and maintain a steady, controlled motion throughout. And there you have it, the basics of strength training for beginners. We've covered some fundamental muscle building exercises including squats, bench presses, and deadlifts. We've also emphasized the importance of proper form and technique. So, take these fitness tips, get out there, and start building that strength. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and with consistency and dedication, you'll see progress in no time. Until next time, stay strong and keep pushing your limits.